Now, still from Kwale, thousands of Kenyans flocked to the newly refurbished Kwale Stadium in Matuga, Kwale County, to attend the national Mashujaa Day Celebrations. Not only did Kwale County host a national celebration for the first time, but the military guard of honor was also for the first time commanded by a female officer. Here's Ann Mburu with the sights and sounds from the Mashujaa Day Celebrations in Kwale.
At the break of dawn, these were the sights at the newly constructed Kwale Stadium. Kenyans from all walks of life and from far and wide streamed into the stadium as police tightened security at each entrance. On the stands, a colorful view of the students sat in an arrangement that exhibited the Kenyan flag. Others chose to dress in the national flag's colors.
Mimi nikifaa hivi nasikianga poa, ninajua ni mimi ni Mkenya mzalendo na ninafurahia sana. Kila sikukuu yote mimi nafaa hivi.
Melodies from the Maroon Commandos band rent the air. The traditional guard of honor was for the first time led by a female officer, Lieutenant Colonel Faith Mwagandi. Then came the fly past.
Zikiwa katika 4-ship box formation. Tuwape makofi marubani wetu tafadhali.
To depict the event's affordable housing theme, students formed a map of Kenya, then a story house, and the word Bomayangu, completing the sight to behold. Songs and dances then took center stage with Swahili classical. These were blended with the contemporary hits, Anguka Nayo.
Anguka now, check it. Anguka now, turn it down low now. Stand up to your feet, mikono juu alafu.
For Sunday Express from Kwale County, I am Ann Mburu.